Hello friends, welcome to TechMade Easy. Today we are going to learn about the conversion of octal to decimal numbers. We have already seen the conversion of binary to decimal. The method is completely same, only the difference here is instead of binary we are converting octal numbers. Let's start with an example directly. Example 1, convert 52, which is an octal number, to its equivalent decimal number. So the first step is to write the given number with some spaces. The second step, yes, definitely the rightmost digit is the LSD, which is least significant digit, which is having the least value, least important. And the leftmost digit is the MSD, which is having the most value and most important digit. So here, the positions for this numbers, the right side number is position 0, and then 1, and then so on. So here this positions we have to write as the power of the base of the given number. So the base is 8 here because we are working with the octal number here. So here we are going to write this positions as the power of 8. So 8 raised to 0, 8 raised to 1. The next step is to multiply the digits with its positional headings. So here 2 into 8 raised to 0, 5 into 8 raised to 0, and whatever the result of this multiplication, we have to add those results. So let's go ahead with the calculation. Anything raised to 0 is 1, so 2 into 1. 8 raised to 1 is 8, so 5 into 1. So let's find the result. 2 into 1 is 2. 5 into 4 is, 5 into 8 is 40. So we get 52 in octal is equivalent to 40 plus 2, that is 42 in decimal. Let's take another example. Convert 235 to its equivalent decimal number. Given octal number is 235. The positions, 5 is LSD, 2 is MSD, so 5 is 0th position. 8 raised to 0, 8 raised to 1, 8 raised to 2. Multiply the digits with its positional headings. 5 into 8 raised to 0, 3 into 8 raised to 1, 2 into 8 raised to 2. Add all these results of multiplications. So let's calculate. 8 raised to 0 is 1. So 5 into 1, 8 raised to 1 is 8. 8 raised to 2 is 64. 5 into 1 is 5, 3 into 8 is 24, 64 into 2 is 128. So the given number 235 is equal to 128 plus 24 plus 5, which is 157 in decimal. Quite simple. Let's take one more example. Convert 14.5 to its equivalent decimal number. Now here we are dealing with the fractional part of the number. We have already solved the integer. Previous to example, we have seen how to solve the integer part. Now we will concentrate on the fraction part. So 4 is on the 0th position and 1 is on the first position, and whatever is after point is on the scale of it is on the negative side. So 5 is -1 position and 2 is -2 position, and so on. Okay, so the next step is 2 into 8 raised to 2, 5 into 8 raised to -1, 4 into 8 raised to 0, 1 into 8 raised to 1. Add all this. Now let's start solving. The integer part is simple. We have already seen it. Now we will concentrate on fractional part. That is 8 raised to -1 is equal to 1 upon 8 raised to 1. So when this this number goes in the denominator, the power changes the sign. So it was negative, so it has turned into positive. So 8 raised to 1 is 8 only. So 1 upon 8 is equal to 0.125. So the given digit is 5. So 5 into 0.125 is 0.625. 8 raised to -2 is when we take in the denominator, it becomes sign of the power becomes positive. So it becomes 1 upon 8 square. 8 square is 64. So we get it as 1 upon 64. So 1 upon 64 is 0.0156. Let's solve this further. So 0.0156 0.15 multiplied by 2 is 0.03. 4 into 1 is 4. 1 into 8 is 8. So let's add 14.52 in octal is equivalent to 8 plus 4 plus 0.625 plus 0.03, which is 12.655. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have understood the how to convert octal number to decimal number system. If you like the video, please click on like and subscribe the channel to be updated with the new content on this channel. Thank you.